So don't wait up for my call. You think this bitch you wanna be with your back, thinking about your kiss and laying in still. I'll be in this club, and they on my body to the phone. Call me back when you ask. I'm your girl. It's yours. Call me back. Party, Kaylani. Get up in my pocket, deep in my pocket. So take it off, baby. This hot pocket with a smell. Baby, go ham and cheese. Now we're here and you got me up. Keep on keep on keep on
I am working on, my natural hair mommy-ness. I am trying to really embrace it at times because I feel like, yes, I love my half wig, and people think that it's my hair, but I still want to take care of my actual hair, and I really am due for a trim. So don't mind them ends, but trying to do better. This Revlon hairbrush has got me through it, okay? This is not an advertisement. I'm keeping it a whole buck with y'all. Like, I used to struggle so much with blow drying my hair with just a regular blow dryer. Nothing against the regular blow dryer. I'm sure it's great. But the hairbrush really gets where it needs to get to. It gets through my hair and, like, does a proper job to make sure that my hair is dry enough and really combed through, so that when I come to the stylist, they don't have to run through my hair again.
I love you too much. No, I get too much. Can't want you too much. No one in this world can make me. Take me to that place. That right over here. With this baby. Out and clear. That door, break that bed.
Previously, I really wasn't the person for parting my hair in sections. I used to kind of just slop it down with gel, like my entire head once I put it in a ponytail. Now I try to section it so it keeps it slicked down. It really does make a difference because part of your hair is being held down by the gel on the inside and then being overlapped again by another piece of hair and another piece of gel.